Hello everyone. So in this video, we are starting with tuple in Python. In the last video, we discussed about what is actually list in Python, what type of data we can store in list, different methods of list and all. Today we are starting with tuple in Python, which is again a type of data. Okay. Let me write it down. Tuple. So it is very common. One thing is it is very much like list in Python. Okay, only few differences are there. Let me define it here. So first of all, let's see what is actually tuple. Tuple is a collection of, again, it is a type of data where you can collect different or similar type of data, just like list. So tuple is also a collection of heterogeneous type of data. If I'm saying heterogeneous, no, that doesn't mean that it is not homogeneous. Okay, so hetero means homo plus hetero. So don't confuse in that. So collection of heterogeneous type of data, heterogeneous type of data, which is indexed again, just like list, which is indexed, which is ordered. That means in which order you are going to store the value, in the same order you can access the value also. So indexed, ordered, but one thing is there, that list is mutable. That means you can add, remove and replace the element inside the list. But in tuple we can't replace. Okay, we can't add, we can't do anything with that. That means tuple is an immutable type of data. Tuple is a immutable type of data. Okay, that means unchangeable. Okay, we can't change anything after initializing a tuple. Okay, so let's see how we can create a tuple in Python. So to create a list, we need a square bracket, but to create tuple, we just need a round bracket. So suppose my list tuple name is A, any name you can take, then use a round bracket. Any type of data you can store here. I'm storing here an integer value, a float value, a boolean value, sort of, suppose I'm storing here complex value, even a list also, any kind of data you can store. Okay, so let's see how it actually looks alike. This is how the values store in tuple. First of all, because it is ordered also, so 2, then 2.5, then true we have, then we have a complex value, and we have a list inside it. So 2, 5 and 6. Again, if you want, you can index it again, because we have a list inside a list. Okay, so the indexing is from 0, 1, 2 up to n. It also includes negative indexing, so -1, 2 up to -n, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how the tuple looks alike. Again, you can define the indexing for this list as well, because this is also indexed. So we have 2, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, or -1, -2 and -3. This is how it looks like. Now, this is how we can create a tuple. Suppose I want to access some value from this tuple, so we can do it like this. A of 0 will give me 2. Even A of -5 will also give me 2, because it is an indexing. So either you can use positive or the negative indexing. It's up to you. I want to extract this true, so we can say A of -3 or A of 2 to get this true. I want to extract this complex, so A of 3 or A of -2. Suppose I want to extract only 3 out of it or only 9 out of it. So what we can do? Just just pause the video and do it by yourself. Okay. In the meantime, let me tell you how we can do this. So I just want to extract this 3 out of this whole complex data. So we can say A of 3 dot real, the real value I want to extract. So will give me 3. 0.0. Why 0.0? Because a complex data is always a combination of float value. Okay, so float. This 3 is also in float, 9 is also in float. To extract this 9, we can say A of -2 or A of 3, it's up to you, dot image will give me only 9 out of. Okay, same way I want to extract this 5. So A of -1 dot 1. sorry, a of minus 1 and 1 will give me 5, or a of minus 1 minus 2 will give me 5, or a of 4 of 1 will give me 5, and so on. It's up to you. Okay. But suppose I want to extract 2 and 6 from here. So in this case, we can do slicing here. So a of minus 1, out of this whole list, I just want to extract 2 and 6. So colon 2. Start from first to last step is 2. So 2 and 6 will be there. Okay. Same kind of slicing we can do in tuple also. Okay. Like I want to extract 2, 2.5 and true. So we can do it like this. A of start from 0 to 3 step is 1 will give me 2, 2.5 and true out of it. Why? It is because tuple is also index. So wherever we have index, we can apply slicing there. Okay. So this is how we can do it. I hope this part is clear, everyone. Let's talk about some more thing. Or before that, let's see all that thing in practical mode. So for that, I already opened a tuple here. Ideally here, let's create a tuple first. So we have a is equal to, I'm going to use here a tuple I want to create. So a round bracket, any type of data I can store here because it is a collection of heterogeneous type of data. Maybe some more value or anything you can store here. So my tuple is done. Let me print the value of tuple as well as I want to print the type of this A as well, just to show you whether it is really a tuple or not. So run. Okay. And you can see here. So this is the tuple and you can see ordering is exactly same. Ordering is exactly same. 3, 9.3, ABC, that tuple, that list, that value and 45. Okay. Now, one thing is there is what if how I can extract the value. So print A of 0 because the indexing is same like list. Let me draw it here. We have 3, we have 9.3 ABC, true, and we have a 45 also. Okay, so indexing is like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can use the negative indexing as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is how we can do this. Now let's access the value one by one. So here A of 0 will give me 3. Even A of minus 6 will also give me 3 out of it. You can see here. Same way I want to extract this 22 from here. So let's see how we can do this. To extract only this 22, I need to extract this whole list. So either we can use A of 3 or minus 3. Okay, it's up to you which indexing you want to use. See? And out of it, I just want to extract that, sorry. I only want to extract this 22. So it's nothing but 1 or minus 2. And you can see here. This is how we can do this. Even we can apply the slicing as well. See. A of 3 colon 2 will give me 11 and 33 out of it. See. Because it is indexed, it is we can apply slicing. I want to extract 3 and 45 or 3 ABC and true from here. So we can do it like this. Print A of colon start from 3 to last value and 3 ABC and true I want to extract. So 2. That's it. Run this code and you can see the output here. In tuple format, you can see here This is inside a tuple only. It is a list type. This is a tuple type. Okay. Now, so now what I want is that means in tuple also we can apply slicing here. Now, the next thing is what else we can do with tuple. Now, one more thing. As I already told you that tuple, we can't add, remove or replace any value inside a tuple. So let me comment everything from here. Okay. Let's see whether we can replace any value or not. So a of 0, in place of a of 0, in place of first position, I want to replace it with 99. Let's see whether we can do it or not. And you can see here, tuple the object does not support item assignment. But suppose it is, if it is a list, okay. Now, when I run this code once again, you can see here, because it is a list, we can change the value. In place of 3, we can change it into 99. So item assignment is possible in list, but not in tuple. Okay. Can we add any value here? Let's see. So basically, we cannot have any kind of method here, just like list, to add or remove any value. Let's use your del keyword, because del keyword we can use anywhere. So a of 0 I want to remove. This 3 I want to remove from here. So run this code. And you can see our tuple object does not support item deletion. We can't delete any value also. Okay. Same way. So what we can do with the tuple? Because it is immutable, no? That's why we can't add, remove, or replace. So what we can do after storing the value? So it's a fixed value, okay? And because of that, it is much faster than the list, okay? So yes, list is faster than, tuple is faster than the list. One more thing, that what kind of operations we can do in tuple? We can only find out the indexing of the element, or we can find out like see, indexing or the iteration of the value, the occurrence of value, like how many times 3 comes in this tuple, what is the index value of 2. Only these two things we can do in tuple. Let's see. So I'm doing it like this. Print a dot index of 9.3 I want to find. So index of 9.3 is nothing but 1. And you can see here, okay. Same way, I want to find out how many times this true comes in my tuple. So same way, I'm using here print a dot count this true. How many times this true comes in my tuple? So it is also 1 time. The occurrence is only 1. Okay. Suppose I'm writing here one more true, even one more true here. Okay. So you can see here. Now it is of 2 times. What if I'm writing here 1, 1, 1? Okay. Now run this code one more time. And now you can see it is of 5 times. Why 5 times? Because of true represents 1 also. False represents 0 also. That's why true, true, 1, 1, 1. Python understands 1 as true also. So 5 times. Okay, so this is how we can use tuple in Python. Now we have some operations also in tuple, but that we'll discuss in the next video. As of now, just try to revise the things. Okay, let's meet in the next class, or you can say in next video. Thank you.